The JBL Quantum 100s are an okay, super simple wired budget gaming headset. They are the entry-level model, and yeah, they do lack many of the features found in the more expensive JBL Quantum 400, 800 wireless, or the JBL Quantum 1. It won't break the bank, and it's marketed towards PlayStation gamers, but compatible with every major gaming platform. I can't say much for now about the sound, but I can't wait to test out the boom microphone, which has been said to be high quality, delivering fairly unremarkable performance. Hi YouTube, welcome back here, and for those who are returning to this channel, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs, and in this video we're gonna unbox and review the JBL Quantum 100. We're gonna check it out and try and answer if it's a total waste of money or another piece of junk. One more thing before we continue. So there was an accident. I ordered my JBL online, got it delivered, but I must say this is the first time an item came in such a battered state. Looking at some general specifications on the box, this headset is compatible with PC, laptop, Xbox and Series, PS4, PS5, Nintendo Switch, mobile cell phones, Mac, VR, etc. On this side, sound signature. Right over here, other general information. And below here, compatible with Skype, Discord, TeamSpeak. So without further ado, let's jump into it.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. Inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
The package includes JBL Quantum 100 headset, a removable boom mic with a windshield foam already incorporated, undetachable, a user manual or QSG, a warranty card, a safety sheet, and a registration card. Talking about some general specs of the headphone, it's an over-ear headphone and the pads are quite soft, so you can talk on these for 3 hours or more and won't feel any sort of pressure. Personally, I use this for my online class. Cable length is about 1.2 meters, so might not be long enough for some people. For example, me, the last wired headphone I had a cable length of about 2.5 meters, but that's me. For others, just perfect. Also, cable is not detachable, so it's not wireless. So let's just try and identify some stuff here. One, you've got a volume rocker, which is not really a rocker, it's kind of like a wheel, a button wheel. And you've got the mute button here. That's all about the controls. Before we continue, some technical information which might be useful. Driver size 40mm, maximum input power 20 MW, sensitivity 96 decibels, microphone pattern directional, and it weighs only about 220 grams. This headset is simple to use. There is no software or device drivers to install. The only way to connect it is by plugging it into a 3.5 TRS headphone jack of your device. There is no USB dongles or Bluetooth functionality to speak of, meaning it will work on PlayStation 5, Nintendo Switch, Xbox Series, PC, mobile devices, and more. Simple as can be. All that is left to do is connect a detachable microphone if necessary. To connect the boom microphone, just locate the microphone port, the side, and stick in. That's it. Be very careful. This side, but this side. And stick in. A little bit more about the design and parts of the headset. So right here, we have the volume control. The microphone mute button right here is to mute or unmute the microphone. We have a 2.5mm jack for boom microphone, and well, the flat fold ear cup. The headband is made of plastic, but in the interior, the cushion is quite soft. Some things I really love about this headset after a couple of days using it. First thing is sound quality. Whether you're working from home or in a busy office, I can truly say that the sound quality of this headset is crystal clear. The detachable boom microphone uses advanced audio technology and thus does its job. If you get to isolate the noise, the recording quality is remarkable. This is what it sounds like. You mentioned something that is very interesting, that people go to the stadium. I'm not sure people go to the stadium. Voice sounds deep, natural, and almost completely free of distortion. The braided 1/8 TRRS cable assures its durability, as they are highly resistant to breakage and or damage even after years of use, and are capable of delivering the highest possible quality of sound transmission. Now, there are some things I don't really like about this headset, but they're not necessarily negative. The controls on this JBL are limited to a few basic functions, with the only onboard controls being a volume scroll wheel and a mic mute button. There is no call button and no play pause music control button. Another thing is the headphone isn't really very portable. The ear cups fold flat and sideways, looking out. It doesn't fold inward. Neither does it come with any sort of protective carrying case, so you risk having them snag on something if you just toss them into your bag. The build quality is sort of disappointing, even though it's not a great negative. It's made of plastic, but for what I need it for, it's totally acceptable. However, the adjustable headband looks weak, especially here at this connection. Almost like if you exert enough pressure, it will easily snap. Noise isolation is there, but it's not the best. You hear quite a bit of rumble in the background if you're listening in a crowded environment, so it's safer you don't count on it. In short, if you're on the hunt for a budget gaming headset, you don't have to think too hard. The JBL Quantum 100P is definitely worth considering. It's lightweight, easy to use, the mic is okay, the design is comfortable, and it works everywhere. It's not a spectacular piece of hardware, but it is not costly. I hope we've been able to give out enough information about the JBL Quantum 100P headset. If you have any comments, leave them below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you'd like to learn more, you might want to check out the link in the description below. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. And as always, see you soon.